Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ALPP, APTY, GGII, LIACF, PROG, PUGE, Qban, REI, Segi, and Sfor. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks you're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it will take you to our original profile that is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. And as you can see, we've been covering ALPP since February 10th of last year. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. But the good part is, and the best part is, that both our email and SMS service are a free service. We do not run any paid subscription service. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up is ALPP. As I said, we've been covering ALPP since February of last year. I know it very, very well. Guys, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to help you guys make some money. I am expecting a blow-off top. So it's going to NASDAQ. I expect a run to 10 bucks, and then it will correct. This is what most NASDAQ, most OTC plays going NASDAQ happen. The minute you get some pre-NASDAQ momentum like we're getting right now, it's rallied from 3 to 536. Once it hits NASDAQ, there's going to be another push, and then profit taking is going to come in. So just be prepared. I'm not trying to say that the story in long term in ALPP is dead in any way. I'm just trying to help you guys make money. Remember, as I said in the video over the weekend, I don't fall in love with any OTC or any penny stock. I'm in love with money. So focus on making money, not who is right or wrong, getting into bull-bear battles. It's a waste of time. Focus on making money, guys. Everything else will take care of itself. Next up is APTY. This is making new highs, even with the yield sign. Just wait until this stock gets pink current. It will be off and running. So it's at just under 3 cents. Next up will be a nickel, and then you got a dime. So APTY is really one we like. The company's making a lot of progress with its Verifunder. This is its escrow service built on the blockchain. And then you also have its Spera stablecoin. So this is definitely in the right space, and a lot of exciting things are happening with APTY. And we've ALPP, APTY, and Segi. These are all I talked about these over the weekend in our article and also in our video. So I really like this follow through Monday, getting a nice push off of our recent recommendations. Nice to see green to start the week. GGII, talked about this one over the weekend, up another 6%. This is still running on the Rick Ross news, new line of hemp smokables and hemp blunt smoking papers. So former bag, current bag, we're still down in this one, but we like to see this recent push. It's up, almost 100% in 2 trading days. So definitely a nice rally. Happy to see this for all that are long at much higher prices, like almost all of us are. So definitely a nice move in GGII. Next up is LIACF. This is a lithium and uranium play. The company's now fully capitalized after just raising $35 million. Matter of fact, they had to upsize the offering because there was so much demand. We got a 52-week high of 332. We think that this one will be making new highs sooner than later. Lithium and uranium right now, they're the 2 hot sectors that you want to be in. Uranium, there is a shortage and strong demand from nuclear power plants. And then you got Sprott and other hedge funds are trying to corner the market and buying up uranium. So definitely what we like there is, it's supply and demand. So when you get a strong demand, low supply, the price will go up, and that will help these junior miners that are making a play in this sector. And lithium, guys, EVs, lithium-ion batteries, enough said. This is the sector that you want to be for the next 5 to 10 years. Bright prospects. Next up is PROG. This is one that we talked about earlier this month, PROG and PUGE. It was just $1.39 on October 6th. Closed yesterday today at $2.99. So subscribers are sitting on 115% gains in just a little bit over a week. So congrats to all that played PROG. So definitely like what we see here. We're coming up on the 200-day of 331. This will act as resistance. We get above there, and it's blue skies ahead. So just keep your eye on the 200-day of 331. You might want to scale out, use a trailing stop, book some profits as we bump up against this resistance level. Next up is PUGE. This was mentioned on the same day as PROG. This one's now at made new highs yesterday, hit 0.0149, closed at 0.0138. When we talked about it, it was just 0.0081. Subscribers now sitting on a 70% gain. This one is definitely a lot of social chatter, and one that we really like. You can go and check out our full coverage on insiderfinancial.com. It is on the homepage, or you can go into the magnifying glass and check out any symbol, and you can get our full coverage, that everything that we've said about a particular stock if you are in it. So definitely a great resource for all of you guys. And also, I do post our YouTube videos on the website, so you can search our YouTube videos, because I include in the description what stocks we're going to be covering. So there was 3 videos here that talked about PUGE. So that's all right there for you. Next up is Qban, closed up 23%. We were talked about this one over the weekend. So if you got in at the open, if you weren't already in and you played off the article, closed up 23%. Can go and check out what we had to say there. It's right on the home page about Qban. REI, this one is about, it's got a triple top near the 52-week highs, hit 415 today, the 52-week high is 416. We really need to clear that 420, and this one is off and running. We talked about this one earlier in the month, so you can go and check out what we had to say about REI on the website. What's up? Next one, Segi. News out. This one's about ready to uplist to the OTCQB. Once it does that, then it's planning to uplist to the NASDAQ. We talked about this one. Where was it? Here it is. Same time we talked about, this one was over the weekend. Segi, we were out with an update over the weekend. If you look here, we said that you got Meek Mill with his millions of followers. He tweeted the other day, Segi stock carrying diamonds. So definitely a big shout out there. Segi making the right moves. And this has just been a nice, steady climber. You look here, you got this nice rounding bottom. We cleared the 200-day of 0.0311, close at 0.0385. Definitely this one's can turn into a runner overnight, as you saw what happened earlier in the year. From current levels, it rallied to 14 cents. So Segi can get hot in a heartbeat. So this is definitely one. If you're already in it, congrats. If you're not, I'd be looking at dips to get it to initiate a position. Last up is Sfor, closed up 26%. This one has just a $78 million market cap. This is a great patent play. They just got a new blockchain patent. If you talk to anybody, even Munger and Buffett that hate Bitcoin, they say, but we are intrigued by blockchain. So when you get a company like Sfor locking up patents and getting patents issued based on the blockchain, they're going to have to collect royalties on that. And if you start implementing blockchain, they start collecting even pennies from every transaction. Think about what that can add up to. So definitely exciting things are happening in Sfor, and we think this one's going to be a nice runner. Speaking of runners, we had an alert today at the bell, ran double digits. We think this one's going to be a big play this week. A lot happening in the oil sector. This one was issued to only subscribers only. We'll be doing an update later for regular readers. But this is why it's so important to be a subscriber. Make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com with both your email and your mobile number. And as I said, the best part is that they are a free service from us. We do not run any paid subscription service. With that being said, it was a great Monday, nice start to the week. Let's see how Tuesday plays out, but really like the price action and excited for the rest of Q4. Last year was a tremendous Q4. We laid the foundation of getting in some hot picks like ENZC, ABML, ALPP, and most of all TSNP, which then became humble. We got in early at just 0.027. If you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, as we said, you can go and check out our original profile. Our original profile on TSNP was November 13th of last year. So huge runner. Many millionaires were created last year. It was big wealth changing time for people, and we were so happy the way things played out for our subscribers, and we're excited that we think that going to be some exciting new plays this year. Well, with that being said, again, thank you for watching. Wish everyone a great Tuesday, and be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.